everyone, I'm Jolly here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Did you know that most times we speak English that seems polite but then it's rude? I'm here to teach you the 5 common mistakes that we speak most times but then it's rude at times, and number 5 will shock you guys. Our mistake number 1 is saying shut up. Do you know that shut up is rude and it sounds harsh? So instead of shut up, you can say be quiet, or could you keep it down? Our mistake number 2 is saying you're fat. Why would you tell someone you're fat? But instead of saying you are fat, you can say you've gained weight or you look different. It sounds more polite. Our mistake number 3 is saying, give me water. First of all, that sounds bossy. So instead of saying, give me water, why can't you say, please, could I have some water? Our mistake number 4 is saying, you're wrong. Why would you tell someone you're wrong? So instead of saying you're wrong, you can say, I don't think that is right. And our mistake number 5 that is mostly used by all of us, including me myself, is saying the word what. Did you know that what sounds so rude or harsh? So instead of saying what, you can say, could you say that again? Or you can say, sorry, can you repeat yourself? Or pardon. So those are the 5 common mistakes that we always use in English, not knowing that they sound impolite or rude. So as you've all seen this or heard this, we should try being polite, just like English speakers are. So instead of shut up, as I first told you, instead of you're fat, give me water, you're wrong, what, you can be polite in a way that I told you before. So instead of shut up, you can say be quiet. Instead of you're fat, you can say you gained weight. Instead of give me water, you can say please could I have some water. So those are the English mistakes that we all have most times, but then we don't know that they are rude. So thank you so much. Please subscribe for more lessons to come. Remember, we are learning English in a fun, simple way and in a polite way. Thank you so much. I remain Jolly. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do not forget, I love you so much. Mwah.